Dear Board of Directors, welcome to our analysis and recommendations for COSCO Shipping Holdings. In this presentation, we will be talking about COSCO itself, the most important economic and digital innovation factors, and our recommendations for your company.
Here's some background information about COSCO. The China Ocean Shipping Company, better known as COSCO, is a former Chinese government-owned maritime shipping company founded in 1961. In 2017, COSCO owned 1,114 vessels, including 365 dry bulk vessels. In 2019, the company counts 27,197 employees. They made a gross profit of 11.93 billion yen, which is equal to 1.54 billion euro in 2019. Now you're looking at the trend radar. It shows the most important trends, and they are rated by two factors: are they relevant within 5 years, and the intensity of the impact. As you can see here, blockchain has a high impact and it's relevant within 5 years.
The most important economic factors and the future outlook. The most important economic factors are the Ocean Alliance, which is an excellent alliance that COSCO is part of with other companies. It helps the companies to increase their fleet, they can share their resources with one another, and when companies work in alliances, they are not impacted by variable cost at the same degree as individual shipping companies. Over the next 3 to 5 years, the strategic importance of such alliances will continue to rise. More companies will be joining these alliances and more alliances will be reporting steady figures, giving these companies a better possibility to control their variable and fluctuating costs. And also pandemics are an important economic factor. Let's take for example how the COVID-19 pandemic affected COSCO. During the outbreak in China, the terminals of COSCO shipping ports weren't fully operational. There were container shortage in Asia and Europe. Staff and personnel in other countries needed to work remotely from home, and face-to-face meetings and negotiations were cancelled. Right now we are living in a pandemic and we are not sure for how long. According to BBC Future, 75% of new diseases are zoonotic, so they originate from animals and are becoming riskier to humans, and could easily become a next pandemic.
Most important digital factors and future outlook. The most important digital factors are blockchain and Internet of Things technology. Blockchain is technology that aims to link all the organizations involved to increase efficiency. Costco could use blockchain to many different things. They could use it as their database. Using blockchain as its database is very secure because everything is heavily encrypted. The data is not stored on one central database, but on their whole network of computers. This is called decentralizing. Decentralizing is very secure and the risk of losing important data because the server crashed isn't relevant anymore either. The second digital factor is Internet of Things. Internet of Things is a system of interrelated, internet-connected objects that are able to collect and transfer data over a wireless network without human intervention. Distinct elements such as engine and machinery components, cargo containers, fleet management, and connected ports are being brought together by onboard sensors and monitoring equipment. COSCO has already had a really successful trial run of an IoT technology and is currently working together with Traxens in a testing phase to implement more of these Internet of Things powered adjustments. IoT technologies that COSCO could implement within the next 3 to 5 years are vessel tracking and predictive maintenance. A part of vessel tracking could be fuel planning. IoT technologies provide data such as optimal speed, which can be used to create energy-efficient routes. Predictive maintenance monitors vital equipment and machinery using sensors to detect and prevent any failures. In conclusion, Internet of Things helps with cutting costs, ensuring more effective operations, and improved decision-making processes.
Based on current trends that we witnessed, we came up with our recommendation. We will recommend them to invest in Internet of Things technology to cut costs and improve decision-making processes. Secondly, we will recommend them to expand current alliances to get up-to-date industry knowledge, which could lead them to a competitive advantage. Lastly, we will recommend them to implement blockchain technology to the fullest extent, which results in a clear supply chain and improves efficiency.
Dear Board of Directors, we're hoping that we've provided some interesting new insight in your company, and hopefully if you'll implement our findings, you'll be able to deliver value for the many years to follow.